How to see your pending connections on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to view those. So first of all, let's head over to LinkedIn. For that, you can log in into your LinkedIn account and you will be finding this particular interface. Once you are here, all you gotta do is look out for My Network option from the given menu at the top. This one with the two-person icon. Click on it and it will open up your page with your network and different other options available where you can add certain people as well as connections. So if you'd like to go ahead and look out for your connections, your pendings, you can look out for this option called No Pending Invitations, and you can look out for this option called Manage and click on it. After you do so, here you will be finding all of the pending invitations that you might have got here in the section where you can accept it or decline it. But if you have sent it to other people, when you go to send, you will be finding this pending invitation for that certain people right here. So here you have follow this person. Try to build connection with this particular person, and you can see it is on pending right here. If you'd also like to go ahead and look out for your pendings connection, you may also follow the process and go to the section right here, My Network, and go to Manage. And that way you can look out for your pending invitations on LinkedIn. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.